Are you buried under mountains of data, spending hours on tedious tasks? AI could be the game changer you need. In today's video, we'll reveal how AI is making data analysis faster, more efficient, and helping analysts get back to what matters most, making strategic decisions. The world of data analysis is undergoing a seismic shift, and artificial intelligence is the driving force. Imagine a world where mundane tasks like data cleaning and preparation are automated, freeing up data analysts to focus on what they do best, extracting valuable insights. This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie, it's the reality we are living in today. AI is revolutionizing data analysis, making it faster, more efficient, and accessible than ever before. Gone are the days of manually sifting through mountains of data. AI-powered tools can now automate these tedious tasks, saving data analysts countless hours and reducing the risk of human error. With AI, data analysts can say goodbye to data drudgery and hello to a world of exciting possibilities. This newfound efficiency allows data analysts to dive deeper into the data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that would have otherwise gone unnoticed. Data collection and cleaning are essential but time-consuming aspects of data analysis. Traditionally, data analysts spent countless hours manually collecting data from various sources, verifying its accuracy, and cleaning it to remove inconsistencies. This process was often tedious and error-prone, leading to delays and inaccuracies in analysis. However, with the advent of AI, data analysts are now empowered to automate these tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources. AI-powered tools can automate data extraction from multiple sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and even unstructured data like social media feeds. These tools can also identify and correct errors in the data, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. Furthermore, AI algorithms can learn from past data cleaning experiences, continuously improving the accuracy and efficiency of the process over time. By automating these tasks, AI not only saves data analysts time but also allows them to focus on more strategic and analytical aspects of their work. Predictive analytics, once a complex and specialized field, is now within reach of every data analyst thanks to the power of AI. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns and trends, and make predictions about future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. This ability to predict the future has game-changing implications for businesses across all industries. Imagine being able to predict customer churn with high accuracy, enabling businesses to take proactive measures to retain valuable customers. Or, consider the ability to forecast sales with greater precision, allowing companies to optimize inventory and resource allocation. These are just a few examples of how AI-powered predictive analytics is transforming the way businesses operate. By leveraging the power of AI, data analysts can provide their organizations with a competitive edge by anticipating future trends and making data-driven decisions. In today's fast-paced business environment, the ability to make quick, informed decisions is paramount. AI empowers data analysts to provide real-time insights, enabling organizations to respond to changing market conditions with agility and precision. Traditional data analysis methods often involved batch processing, where data was collected, processed, and analyzed at scheduled intervals. However, AI-powered tools can process and analyze data in real time, providing up-to-the-minute insights that enable businesses to make informed decisions on the fly. This is particularly valuable in industries such as finance, where even a few seconds can mean the difference between a profitable trade and a missed opportunity. With AI, data analysts can monitor key performance indicators in real time, identify anomalies, and alert decision-makers to potential issues or opportunities as they arise. Data analysts often find themselves bogged down by repetitive, time-consuming tasks that hinder their ability to focus on more strategic initiatives. These tasks, such as data cleaning, formatting, and report generation, are essential but can be incredibly tedious. Fortunately, AI is stepping in to automate these mundane tasks, freeing up data analysts to focus on more creative and impactful work. AI-powered tools can automate data cleaning, removing inconsistencies and errors that can skew analysis. They can also format data into standardized formats, making it easier to analyze and share. Furthermore, AI can automate the generation of reports, freeing up data analysts from the tedious task of manually compiling data and creating visualizations. By automating these tasks, AI empowers data analysts to focus on what they do best, extracting insights from data and communicating those insights to stakeholders in a clear and compelling way. Some may fear that AI will replace data analysts altogether, but this is far from the truth. Instead, AI should be viewed as a powerful tool that enhances the capabilities of data analysts, enabling them to achieve more than ever before. AI is not here to replace human intelligence but to augment it. Data analysts bring critical thinking, domain expertise, and the ability to interpret data in context, skills that are difficult for AI to replicate. AI, on the other hand, excels at handling large data sets, identifying patterns, and automating repetitive tasks. By combining the strengths of both humans and AI, we can unlock the full potential of data analysis. Data analysts can leverage AI as a powerful assistant, handling the heavy lifting of data processing and analysis, while they focus on the strategic aspects of their work, such as identifying business problems, developing hypotheses, and communicating insights to stakeholders. As with any transformative technology, the rise of AI and data analysis comes with its own set of ethical considerations. Data privacy is a major concern, as AI algorithms often require access to vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. It is crucial to ensure that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly and ethically, with appropriate safeguards in place to protect individual privacy. Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if this data reflects existing biases, the resulting algorithms may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can have serious consequences, particularly in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Data analysts have a responsibility to be aware of these biases and to take steps to mitigate them, ensuring that AI is used in a fair and equitable manner. The impact of AI on data analysis is not limited to theoretical discussions. It's already transforming industries across the globe. In the healthcare industry, AI is being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and CT scans, with greater accuracy than human radiologists. This is leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, improving patient outcomes and saving lives. In the financial sector, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, preventing financial losses and protecting consumers. E-commerce companies are leveraging AI to personalize shopping recommendations, providing customers with a more engaging and relevant shopping experience. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing data analysis, and the possibilities are virtually limitless. The future of data analysis is inextricably linked with the continued advancement of AI. As AI technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and sophisticated tools that will further enhance the capabilities of data analysts. Natural language processing, a branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand and process human language, is poised to play a significant role in the future of data analysis. NLP will allow data analysts to interact with data using natural language queries, making data analysis more accessible to a wider range of users. Furthermore, AI will continue to drive the development of automated machine learning platforms, which automate the process of building, deploying, and managing machine learning models. This will empower data analysts with limited machine learning expertise to leverage the power of AI for predictive analytics. The rise of AI in data analysis presents both challenges and opportunities for data analysts. To thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape, data analysts must embrace a growth mindset, continuously updating their skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. They need to develop a deep understanding of AI concepts and techniques, as well as the ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in data analysis. Furthermore, data analysts should actively seek out opportunities to collaborate with AI experts and data scientists, leveraging their expertise to develop innovative solutions to complex business problems. By embracing AI as a powerful tool, data analysts can unlock new levels of efficiency, insight, and impact in their work. The AI revolution is transforming the field of data analysis, empowering data analysts with powerful tools and techniques that were once the stuff of science fiction. By automating tedious tasks, providing real-time insights, and enabling predictive analytics, AI is freeing up data analysts to focus on what they do best, extracting valuable insights from data and driving better business decisions. As AI technologies continue to advance, we can expect even more transformative changes in the way data is collected, analyzed, and used to solve real-world problems. The future of data analysis is bright, and AI will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping that future. AI is transforming data analysis, but the key is to take action now. Start exploring these tools today and see the difference for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated with more insights.